Welcome back to my school bus conversion project. To start out, I'm going to make this fence for my table saw. And another organizer. And that's the second organizer done. This one is mainly storing electronics. I wasn't too happy with the view in my blind spots, so I decided to install a bird's eye view camera system. So I've got the cameras somewhat calibrated. You can see that they're not completely straight. This is because the cameras themselves are spherical and there's nothing really to grip on when you're trying to adjust them. So you have to sort of try and wiggle them with your fingers and see if you can get them pointing the right way. Regardless, this is good enough for now. I will redo it later when it's warmer. And now I have wired it in, so if I click the turn signal, it'll switch and show me the view on that side. And I've enclosed the electronics in a box for a cleaner look. And that will do it for this week's episode. See you next week.